back, guys. American Fishing. We're back here. It's early February. 4th of February. It's currently nice out. We got my buddy Raiden Hawk out here fishing with us today. Okay, Hawk, whatever. And of course, you guys know Andrew.
Yes, sir.
Of course, he's wearing his Trump hat, but that makes no difference. We're all conservatives here.
Let me talk to your manager. I ain't conservative. I'm joking.
I don't have a manager. I'm the manager. It's currently probably 54 degrees out. No, I knocked,
baby.
I knocked my book bag over.
Wow. What do you think over mine?
Yeah, we're out here fishing. It's February 4th, 2 days after the Super Bowl. See if we can catch the
elusive winter bass.
I don't think they're elusive. I think we just gotta know where to catch them.
And what to use, that is.
You put it on.
Crankbait.
My buddy's using a crankbait. Andrew, what are you using?
Crankbait.
Crankbait. I'm the only one using the tube.
Watch it be the only one that doesn't catch anything.
I'll tell you what. Green Pumpkin Illusion is the best.
Yes, I have. That's what I'm using.
That's why I got that 5-pounder.
I'm using Green Pumpkin.
Wait, what happened?
I was getting my fishing license. The girl behind the desk, that was, my paper or something like that. She looked up and she says, "Oh, I hate this." I said, "Okay, that's your opinion." I said, I love the way that he's doing it.
What he does.
The way that he's doing it.
He's acquitted of all articles of deceit.
Thank you, Senator. The only thing I didn't like what he did was that pipeline through native territory. We've already done enough to them.
But Iran, oh, fuck them.
Yeah, fuck Iran. They're nothing but a bunch of radicals that want us dead, and yet Democrats with sympathy.
Okay. You know, if you walk towards it
and snap your line out.
Don't really. There you go. Be smart here. You have to go and get some more line.
I actually have to get more line. I'm almost out.
I just got some.
What?
Huh?
Huh?
What?
What? Huh?
Oh, yeah.
I got plenty more tubes.
Got that classic cherry cola. I see.
No wonder you're so fucking broke.
What?
I said no wonder you're broke.
Snagged. Alright, let's try this crankbait. I'm using this.
He got a stick, ladies and
bluegill.
We're gonna use a coffee tube.
Stickfish.
Yeah.
Where's all my coffee tubes? Oh, there it is. Coffee tubes. I don't think I got enough coffee tubes.
There's actually a decent spot. That little point right there, if you stand on that point and cast out and let it drift, it is really nice.
Coffee tubes.
You should ask for a GoPro for Christmas.
That'd be really nice, Noah. You get a GoPro, that'd be really good.
I already have one.
Ha!
Don't you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, sir. But
One subscriber, and I think that's me.
I used to have.
You would have got that crankbait stuck in me some.
I used to have a YouTube channel, but I forgot my password.
Hey, what did we do to Aaron that one time?
What?
We got a hook stuck in the back of his head or something.
Good, Noah? Ooh, you almost broke your rod, bud.
Won't be the first rod I broke.
I've broken a few rods in my lifetime.
0.
I broke 1 rod in my lifetime so far. And I was fishing Penn's Creek.
I broke a few. I was fishing a creek up by Beaver Springs and I slipped and landed on my rod.
Yeah, just been trying to have me get a bait caster for some time now.
Bait casters are pretty nice. It's just difficult to learn at first.
Just when you put a ton of line on that, that's how they work next to one.
What I like to do, if I were starting with a bait caster, I'd strip out about 100 yards worth of line, crank the dial to max and place a piece of tape. So if you do backlash, it only goes as far as the tape.
My person. Can't tell you how many fish I caught off. Is that a trout rod?
No. It's a medium action, brother. You want an ultralight for trout, bro.
Smell that too.
White juice. Rubber.
Coffee. That's why they call them coffee tubes.
Because they're scented like that.
Yep.
So what?
Oh shit. I'm gonna move farther up here, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, that point right there is really nice.
I mean, I caught a 5-pounder down there the one time. But all my fish are either above or below.
There's something else.
What?
I moved a walleye right there. It broke my mind though.
Yeah. What? Oh.
No shit. Must have been catching 20 to 30 inch walleyes out here today. Found himself.
Yeah, I would need someone manning the net just in case I ever caught a muskie.
I didn't need one to find. I went in that zone, but I can't hear
Yeah, I think that's what I'll ask for next Christmas. I'll get a... So what? Won't be the first time I fish in the rain.
Yep.
If you need to go home, Raiden, it's fine. These are my science class, so I was just like, dude, you want to go fishing? I did.
Shit, just hurt my hand.
Fuck. I think we're going to end the video. I don't need my phone getting wet. Go like and subscribe. This is American Fishing, Andrew and Raiden. Signing off. Woo!